Welcome to AWS Mastery Labs, turning AWS chaos into clarity with bite-sized tutorials, hands-on labs, and exam-smashing tips. In this video, we will be taking a deep dive into the AWS Snow Family, a suite of edge computing and data transfer devices designed for environments where traditional network-based data migration isn't feasible. Whether you're dealing with petabytes of data, limited or no connectivity, or operating in rugged or remote locations, the Snow family has a solution for you. Let's get started. The AWS Snow family is a suite of purpose-built physical devices that enable secure, efficient, and scalable data transfer and edge computing for customers operating in environments with limited or no network connectivity. These devices are designed to help move terabytes to petabytes of data into and out of AWS, especially when traditional online methods like Direct Connect or Snowball Edge are either too slow, impractical, or unavailable due to bandwidth constraints. What makes the Snow family unique is that it's not just about storage. These devices come equipped with compute resources, enabling you to run edge workloads, pre-process data, and even run full-scale applications on-site before transferring results to the cloud. This makes them ideal for use in disconnected, remote, or rugged environments, such as ships, mines, oil rigs, and edge data centers. To streamline the logistics, each Snow device features an e-ink shipping label that automatically updates with destination details, and AWS provides end-to-end chain of custody tracking, ensuring your data is secure and accounted for throughout the transfer process. Typical use cases for the Snow family include large-scale data center migrations, cloud seeding for backup or disaster recovery systems, retiring legacy NAS appliances, and building the foundation for cloud-native data lakes. Whether you're collecting sensor data at the edge or migrating petabytes of archived footage, the Snow family provides a rugged, secure, and scalable bridge between your on-premises infrastructure and AWS Cloud. Let's start with the smallest and most portable member of the Snow family, the AWS Snowcone. Designed for edge computing and lightweight data transfer tasks, the Snowcone is a rugged, compact device that fits in a backpack and weighs just under 5 pounds. Despite its small size, it delivers powerful capabilities for disconnected or bandwidth-constrained environments. One of the standout features is its flexible data transfer options. You can physically ship the device back to AWS for offline data transfer, or use AWS Data Sync over Wi-Fi or wired connections for online sync when connectivity allows. Next, we have the AWS Snowball Edge, a powerful and versatile member of the Snow family designed for large-scale data transfer and edge computing in rugged or disconnected environments. The Snowball Edge comes in two variants. The Snowball Edge Storage Optimized, built for high-capacity data migration and local storage-heavy workloads, and the Snowball Edge Compute Optimized, which is tailored for edge processing, advanced analytics, and even machine learning inference on-site. The Snowball Edge is a hybrid edge device that bridges your on-premises workloads with AWS Cloud, providing the performance and flexibility needed for demanding distributed environments. At the largest end of the AWS Snow family spectrum is the AWS Snowmobile, a truly massive solution designed for customers needing to move exabyte-scale data to AWS. The Snowmobile is literally a shipping container-sized data transfer solution, delivered to your facility via a semi-trailer truck. It can hold up to 100 petabytes of data in a single job, making it ideal for organizations with massive data sets. Think media libraries, satellite imagery archives, genomic databases, or entire data center migrations. AWS Snowcone is the smallest and most portable device in the AWS Snow family, purpose-built for secure edge computing and data transfer in environments where connectivity is limited, intermittent, or entirely unavailable. Weighing less than 5 pounds, Snowcone is compact enough to fit in a backpack, yet powerful enough to support edge processing, IoT workloads, and small-scale data migration with ease. Each device offers 8 terabytes of usable storage and supports AWS IoT Greengrass, enabling you to run applications and process data locally without relying on constant connectivity to the cloud. This makes Snowcone ideal for use cases in rugged, remote, or mobile locations, such as oil rigs, military outposts, field research stations, and disaster response zones, where real-time decision-making and data processing are crucial. Snowcone offers flexible data transfer options to suit a range of operational needs. You can use it in offline mode by physically shipping the device back to AWS for ingestion, or in online mode via AWS Data Sync over a wired or wireless connection when connectivity is available. This dual mode transfer capability provides operational flexibility across a wide spectrum of edge and hybrid cloud scenarios. Security is foundational to Snowcone's design. Data is encrypted end-to-end using AWS Key Management Service, KMS, and the device features a tamper-evident, tamper-resistant enclosure. If any unauthorized access is detected, automatic data erasure is triggered to protect sensitive content. Snowcone is also compliant with key standards such as HIPAA, FedRAMP, and GDPR, making it suitable for handling regulated and sensitive data. AWS Snowcone delivers rugged portability, robust security, and edge-native compute in a compact form factor. Whether you're enabling data collection and processing in harsh environments or seeding cloud storage from the edge, Snowcone is a critical enabler for secure and efficient hybrid cloud operations. Based on the AWS update, the AWS Snowcone services have been retired as of November 2024. AWS Snowball Edge is a powerful and flexible member of the AWS Snow Family, engineered for secure, large-scale data migration and edge computing in environments where traditional network transfers are impractical or cost-prohibitive. Unlike basic storage appliances, Snowball Edge devices offer both high-capacity storage and onboard compute, making them ideal for processing data locally and moving it to AWS efficiently. These ruggedized devices are built for real-world conditions, complete with e-ink shipping labels, a tamper-resistant enclosure, and an integrated LCD display for managing network settings and monitoring service status. Snowball Edge devices are shipped via regional carriers and support data transfers at speeds significantly faster than most internet connections, which is especially valuable when dealing with large-scale datasets. There are two primary Snowball Edge variants, each designed to support different workload requirements. The Snowball Edge Storage Optimized model offers up to 210 TB of usable storage, ideal for large-scale data transfer jobs and archival workloads. The Snowball Edge Compute Optimized model provides powerful edge processing capabilities, with up to 104 vCPUs, 416 GB of memory, and 28 TB of dedicated NVMe SSDs for compute-intensive tasks like data analytics, image processing, and machine learning inference, all performed at the edge without waiting on a cloud round trip. You can even cluster 3 to 16 Snowball Edge devices together for distributed storage and compute jobs, enabling local high availability and scalability, perfect for temporary edge deployments or bandwidth-constrained data centers. One of the biggest advantages of Snowball Edge is cost effectiveness. Given the high data volumes involved, transferring data over the internet can be not only slow but also expensive. In many cases, it's far more economical to use Snowball Edge for offline data migration. Simply load the data, ship the device back to AWS, and let it be ingested directly into services like Amazon S3. Typical use cases for Snowball Edge include large-scale cloud migrations, disaster recovery and backup seeding, media archives, and remote site data collection. Whether you're operating in a remote industrial site, managing field research data, or sunsetting legacy infrastructure, Snowball Edge gives you the tools to bridge the physical and cloud worlds, securely, at scale, and on your terms. Now, let's take a look at AWS Snowmobile, the largest and most powerful data transfer device in the AWS Snow Family. It's designed to move data at exabyte scale, making it ideal for massive cloud migrations such as relocating entire data centers or moving petabytes of media archives to AWS. Snowmobile is essentially a secure mobile data center delivered to your location inside a 45-foot ruggedized shipping container. It comes fully equipped with power, cooling, and high-speed networking infrastructure, allowing your teams to transfer data directly from your environment at incredibly fast rates, thanks to multiple 40 gigabit per second connections. Security is built into every layer. Data is protected using 256-bit encryption, managed through AWS Key Management Service. The container is equipped with GPS tracking, tamper-evident enclosures, 24/7 video surveillance, and even offers optional security escorts during transit to ensure the chain of custody is never compromised. One of the key benefits of Snowmobile is that it is a fully managed solution. AWS handles everything from delivery and setup to data ingestion and secure return. This dramatically reduces operational overhead and helps you focus on your core business, not logistics. And perhaps most importantly, Snowmobile offers a cost-effective alternative to transferring huge datasets over the internet, which could otherwise take months or even years depending on your available bandwidth. AWS Snowmobile is the ultimate solution for organizations that need to move extraordinary volumes of data into AWS, quickly, securely, and efficiently. Based on the AWS update, the AWS Snowcone services have been retired as of March 2024. Imagine you need to move a large amount of data to the cloud, but slow internet speeds or bandwidth limitations are standing in your way. That's where AWS Snowball Edge comes in. A rugged, secure, physical device that makes data migration fast and efficient. You start by requesting a Snowball device from the AWS Management Console. Once the device arrives at your location, you install the Snowball client or AWS Ops Hub on your servers to prepare for the transfer. Next, you connect the Snowball to your local servers and begin copying your data using the client. No internet transfer required. When the transfer is complete, you ship the device back to AWS, where it is securely received at the appropriate AWS facility. From there, your data is uploaded into an Amazon S3 bucket of your choice. Once the upload is verified, the Snowball device is completely wiped clean, ensuring your data remains private and protected. This entire process eliminates the need to invest in or maintain your own hardware and ensures that your data is secure, both in transit and at rest. Whether you're migrating petabytes of data or working in remote environments with limited connectivity, AWS Snowball Edge offers a simple, scalable solution for getting your data to the cloud. AWS Ops Hub is a graphical user interface (GUI) designed to simplify the management of AWS Snow Family devices, including Snowcone, Snowball Edge, and Snowmobile. It provides an intuitive, centralized dashboard that allows users to set up, monitor, and operate these devices without requiring deep technical expertise or command line tools. With AWS Ops Hub, users can unlock, configure, and manage their Snow Family devices with just a few clicks. It enables easy data transfer, local compute processing, and device monitoring, all from a user-friendly interface. The tool helps organizations efficiently handle large-scale data migrations, edge computing workloads, and secure offline transfers, especially in remote or disconnected environments. Security and operational efficiency are at the core of AWS Ops Hub. It provides real-time status updates, event logs, and automated workflows to streamline device operations. Users can seamlessly manage storage, compute instances, and network settings while ensuring secure access control through AWS Identity and Access Management (IAM). One of the major benefits of AWS Ops Hub is that it reduces complexity for organizations leveraging AWS Snow Family devices for disaster recovery, IoT data processing, video analytics, and edge deployments. By eliminating the need for manual configurations and command line operations, AWS Ops Hub ensures that businesses can quickly deploy and manage their AWS Snow Family solutions with minimal effort. Once your AWS Snowball Edge device is delivered and powered on, you can begin managing it using AWS Ops Hub for the Snow Family, a user-friendly, GUI-based application designed for quick and intuitive setup and management. When you launch Ops Hub, you're greeted with a clean dashboard that shows key system information at a glance, such as device status, available storage, and network configuration. You can also monitor data transfers, manage encryption keys and security settings, and check logs for system diagnostics. Ops Hub simplifies working with the Snowball device by giving users full control, all without needing to use the CLI. It brings the familiar AWS experience on premises, making your migration process smooth, transparent, and secure. Thank you for joining us in this video. If you haven't already, we'd love for you to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. We look forward to sharing more insights with you in another video. Until then, keep exploring. And thank you for watching.